I think we need to go somewhere. Singing in the rain, what a glorious feeling I'm free. It's cool. Oh, look at the ball. Boing, 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 boing. If you can't have fun in the rain like this, you know, don't come to this event. Don't even come to my rides. Don't even talk to me. It's fucking the blast, man. How can you not have fun with this? Come on, baby. Wheelies in the rain. Let's go.
Let's go out the gate.
Oh, we'll go out the gate. Okay. He wants to go out in town. You can see through my shorts. I don't think I'm allowed out in Alabama like this. All right, we're gonna go out in town. Whatever. We're already wet. Yeah. First one's here. Damn, that's such a nice setup. Love seeing that setup. What are you doing hiding? Come on.
What's up?
Get wet, bro.
Yeah, man.
Rowdy Rodney. Look at this whip. He's got the rape van and everything. Go follow him. Whew. He's a cool guy. Kawasaki's here. What's up, man? Oh, shit. Ah! Sorry. Alright. Maybe I can get a free Kawasaki next. You still want to go out?
Huh?
You still? Okay. I apologize if the visuals are trash right now with bubbles and stuff.
This wheelie is sponsored by our new patrons, so shout out to Jans, Michael, Brittany, Alexis, Javier, and Ethan. And then for the YouTube members, we have Bryce, Midwest on Two Wheels, and Chaz, Two Wheel Demon, Doc Jr., Adventures with Water, Marvin, Lewis Stunts, Communist Dog, and Misguided Adventures.
This is where we slept last night, right here. The gates were closed, so we passed out there, and then Nick, the guy at Barber, woke us up. Literally 4 times or 5 times in the middle of the night, I woke up because I left the car on because of the air conditioning. I woke up, felt like I was driving, and fell asleep at the wheel. I woke up scared because you're not used to sleeping in a car. And when you wake up, or you kind of wake up and you realize that you're asleep, yeah, a little bit scary. See if I can get this up. There we go. Woo! All right, it's downpouring right now, but we're not scared of a little rain. I wish more people from Tampa came, but I understand their hesitation, not knowing what you're getting into. Ugh, puddle. But yeah, this is gonna be a fun weekend. I already know it. Lewis doing one-handers. Lewis wants to continue to explore, but oh shit. Okay, fuck. Alright, here we go, YouTube. This is what we're doing now. Do it for the views. Oh fuck. Holy shit. That was almost bad. I tried to avoid that pothole and almost ate shit. It's turning into like slippery, muddy stuff. So today's Thursday. We got all day today, all day tomorrow, all day Saturday, all day Sunday. We got 4 full days of this. Hopefully you guys like this. Let me know in the comments down below. I always wonder if you guys get bored when we do these adventures, but I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please keep me motivated. Give me a comment of support. Let me know you like it, because there's gonna be a lot more coming after this video. Woo!
It led nowhere.
It led nowhere. Well, what about that road closed one?
You want to go up there?
Yeah. Yeah. I should have stayed on the trail. Fuck. Hold on. Thick ass rocks. There's a road closed sign right here. Oh shit. What?
You want to go up that one or this one?
This one?
That one?
Yeah.
That one don't have the road closed.
I don't think it matters, does it?
Not no more.
Huh?
No?
They're both the same thing. Oh fuck. Oh, this one actually turns into a concrete road. Huh?
We ain't getting up that.
Why?
That's
Slippery?
slippery.
I brought rear sets. Tires are nice. There's no slippage. I mean, going down might suck. Oh, nope, first.
I'm surprised we made it up. Hold on.
What do you say? You want to take a picture? Oh shit. Oh, we're good. I'll see a big hole. Look at these views. I hope the people in Tennessee are actually exploring, not sitting in a cabin. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, at Photogromer, at Louis Stunts, Grubs! I can't hear that. They're probably like, do you guys need help? I mean, I got a bright yellow jacket on. Should be able to see me. I kind of look like a construction worker too. Where do you want to go? Off-road? Just went through a spider web. Ugh. Eyes are down. Nope, can't see anything. What the fuck? I think we might stumble across some bodies out here. Ah, got it. This is bonkers. That doesn't sound good. I'm just gonna keep going. Oh fuck! Hopefully that's not the engine. That's the one thing I didn't bring is an engine block. Alright, I'm gonna stop and check that on that note. Fucking put a hole in the engine case. Making sure, just making sure I didn't put a hole in my engine case.
You got the stock filter, you good?
Stock exhaust, right?
Yeah.
Good old stock exhaust.
If not, we'd be screwed.
Yeah, I hit a rock. It fucking sounded like it went through. Let's see how these Dunlops do. Come on, Dunlops. Oh, like butter. Are we gonna keep going? All right. Oh no. Yeah. 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 Don't take the log. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. I got stuck on a log. Oh, fuck. This should come out somewhere. Oh. Okay, I guess we're going down this. I don't know if I support going down. Shit. And then you go down, you gotta come back up. My bike's making weird ass noises. Oh, I bet you my bracket came out. That's my rear brake.
Oh, it's broke.
What broke?
The bracket?
The whole bracket broke?
Yeah.
Oh shit, that's not good. Oh fuck.
Or it's not tight. One of the two.
The bolt probably came out. Alright, let's turn around. I don't want to lose my rear brake.
I mean, we're probably close to the end this way.
Alright, I'll go another 5 minutes. And then we gotta go back. You don't know what the end could be. This could be someone's driveway we're going down. Oh, fuck. Stupid. What are we doing? Oh, there goes the stock exhaust. Fuck. In theory, this should come out somewhere. Hopefully before I lose my fucking caliper. I'm staying high.
It's going down.
Yeah. Checking maps.
Right.
You think so?
There's deer.
Where?
Deer.
Holy shit, deer just came through. That's not good. Fucking mountain lions probably out here. Or bears or some shit. There was literally like 5 deer just ran across. Fucking bonkers. Oh, there's a jump. Uh-oh. What'd you do? You good? Huh?
Sounds funny.
You got like a stick in your brake? Something funny. Dude. Okay. I was gonna say, if we have to go down this thing, we're fucked. Go ahead. We've turned so many times that there's no way we're finding our way out. We're just gotta plow through. Oh, this is all like swamp clay shit. Jesus. Ugh. Lewis is the right person to bring on a trip like this. There's a car just drove by. You're on the rock. Oh shit, what the fuck? What's stuck? What is this? Oh no. Get off me. Had a vine stuck on my shifter. Put me and Lewis someplace fucking weird and we'll find shit to do. Found it? Oh, okay. Good job. There's the road. We just gotta pop out somewhere. There was a cop sitting down here doing radar earlier. That'd be awesome if we just popped out right next to him. Hey! This is where we went! This is the road where we turned around. We literally just went all the way around this whole...
Going up that way, it comes back through.
That's awesome. Alright, what happened here?
You're missing a bolt, I think.
Yeah. I have to go to Ace Hardware or something. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video here, but adventures continue here at Barber Motorsport. Well, kind of by Barber Motorsports. You good?
Oh, I have no brake pads.
Alright, he's good. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Whew.